What's the meaning of Agatha Christie? Agatha Christie. Agatha Christie. Agatha Christie. Agatha Christie. Agatha Christie. Agatha Christie was an English writer best known for her detective novels, particularly those featuring the fictional character Hercule Poirot. She is considered one of the most successful and popular authors of the 20th century. Throughout her career, Christie wrote over 80 novels and short story collections, as well as creating plays and radio dramas. Her work has been adapted numerous times for stage, screen and television. Her legacy has had a lasting impact on the detective fiction genre, shaping the way we approach and enjoy mystery stories today.